Afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas Riasco. I am to talk about my best friend. My friend Carlos, when he was a child, liked to play in the sand and run barefoot. He lost to bat salty weather, the sit and wear appropriate clothes. Carlos didn't like to wear red clothes and he didn't like to smell, lest to lay his toys. He didn't like the fish soup and the chicken rice except the sweet dreams. Carlo was a boy who liked to study hard and make good friends, and he also liked to paint. When Carlos was a child, he couldn't go out in the sun because he got sick, and he couldn't sing and play a lot of because he had a hair problems. When Carlos was already an adult, he liked to experiment a lot of go out. Dancing could interact with others. He didn't like to exercise, even less hang out with women. He also loved to play soccer, but he didn't like to play baseball. Thank you teacher, very much.